All right. Good morning, everybody. We're all like 10 people that see this. We are doing Kit Carson and Challenger today. Or maybe Kit Carson and Obstruction, which is a high centennial. In the beautiful Sangre de Cristo wilderness. There's the parking lot you can see. I got a primo spot. Cars are lined up along the road like 200, 300 feet. But I got right next to the trailhead, so it pays to start late. It's supposed to be a really good trail up to Little Lake. I'm doing the 4th class east face of Kit Carson up, and then we're gonna move on to Raider Junction. We're gonna move on to Challenger Point. Willow Lake. Take a right. Here you go. We're taking a right. If this ever sees the light of day, it's because I just made the right choice. Anyway, this is supposed to be a beautiful trail all the way up to Willow Lake, about 4.5 miles, and then the fun begins. And so then I'll take you out there.